I recently purchased the RADCLO mini drone with camera, and overall, I'm quite impressed with its performance. Here are my thoughts on the pros and cons of this product. Pros: compact and portable. The drone is incredibly small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around for outdoor adventures or travel. Camera quality. The camera provides clear and sharp images and videos, which is quite surprising for such a compact device. Auto-follow feature. This feature is fantastic for capturing dynamic shots without needing to manually control the drone constantly. Easy to use. The controls are user-friendly, and the drone is easy to set up and start flying, even for beginners. Good battery life. For its size, the drone has a decent battery life, allowing for longer flights than I initially expected. Cons: stability and wind. The drone struggles a bit in windy conditions. It's best used on calm days or indoors. Limited range. The range is somewhat limited compared to larger drones, which can be restrictive for more ambitious flight paths. Build quality. While the drone is lightweight, it feels a bit fragile. I recommend handling it with care to avoid any damage. Learning curve for advanced features. While basic operation is straightforward, utilizing some of the more advanced features can be challenging without thoroughly reading the manual. In conclusion, the RADCLO mini drone with camera is a solid choice for anyone looking for a portable and easy-to-use drone with great camera capabilities. It's perfect for beginners and casual users, though more experienced drone enthusiasts might find its limitations a bit frustrating. Despite some minor drawbacks, it's a good value for the price and a lot of fun to use.